Hello, in this video I'll show you how to use a drop-down list. Okay, so let's say we want to make a drop-down list of 4 items. So let's say a shape. So we can have star, circle, square, triangle. Okay, and we want to make a list here, so we can click down and then pick any of these shapes. So in order to do that, we have to go to the data tab, and then we will find something called data validation. And then when we choose our criteria, we're gonna choose a list. And here we pick the source data. What items do we want to pick between against? So here we want to pick these 4. So then you make sure that you pick the reference for these ones here. And then press OK. And now we can pick our item here. And now we can simply copy and paste these ones. Now we can have these. Simply copy paste this one here. And now we have drop down lists here. So we can pick, let's pick circle. Okay, you can use the Alt keys when going down or when you're picking a shape here. So triangle, can pick square. Okay, so this is how you make a drop-down list here. Now let's say you want to delete these ones. Then what you can do is you highlight the drop-down list where you have your drop-down list and go to data validation. And then you click clear all. And now the drop-down list is gone. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Thanks.